Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a joined report in Salesforce Lightning. This is a powerful feature that allows you to combine data from multiple report types into a single view, making it easier to analyze relationships between different objects in your Salesforce org. Let's get started. First, you'll need to click the App Launcher, which is that waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This icon opens up your navigation menu and gives you access to all available apps and features. Once you've clicked it, a search bar will appear at the top of the panel. In that search bar, type in Reports and select Reports from the results. This takes you directly to the Reports homepage where you can view existing reports or create new ones. Once you're on the Reports page, look for the New Report button and click it. This initiates the report creation process. Now you'll be prompted to choose a primary report type. This is the foundation of your joined report, so think about what data you want to start with. For this example, you might search for and select activities with accounts, then click Start Report to move forward. This opens up the Report Builder interface where you'll construct your joined report. Here's where it gets interesting. In the Report Builder, locate and click on the Report drop-down menu at the top, then select Joined Report from the options that appear and click Apply. This converts your standard report into a joined report format, allowing you to add multiple data blocks. Next, click Add Block. This is what makes joined reports so valuable. You can now add a secondary report type to bring in additional data. Select your secondary report type, for instance, cases. You'll notice a checkbox that says Include Default Columns, which you can optionally check if you want Salesforce to automatically include commonly used fields. Once you've made your selection, click Add Block to add it to your report. At this point, you've got multiple data blocks set up. To see how everything looks together, click Run to preview your joined report. This shows you the combined data in action and helps you verify that you're pulling in the right information. When you're satisfied with the results, click Save. You'll be prompted to enter a report name, so choose something descriptive that makes it easy to identify later. You can also optionally add a description to provide more context about what the report shows. Then click Select Folder to choose where you want to store this report in your Salesforce org. Finally, click Save one more time to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully created a joined report in Salesforce Lightning that combines multiple data sources into one comprehensive view. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.